Another big focus this morning, Najeeb Jung, who tendered his resignation as Lieutenant Governor, met Prime Minister Modi at the PMO. Sources have told India today that Jung could continue for the next 10 days as the President is not in town. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia met Najeeb Jung, where he allegedly cited personal reasons for his resignation. Earlier, the Aam Aadmi Party chief had expressed surprise over Jung's resignation. A statement issued by Jung's office did not cite reasons for his resignation, but said he will be returning to academics. Although speculations are on the rise that the former Lieutenant Governor was planning to quit for the last few months, but the opposition is adamant, saying that he's being made to quit. Top sources in the Ministry of Home Affairs have said that the appointment for the post is likely to take place soon. Names like Kiran Bedi, retired bureaucrat Anil Baijal, and former Police Commissioner B.S. Bassi are doing the rounds.
बस उनसे मैं मिलने के लिए आया था और
सर इसकी वजह बताई उन्होंने।
वो पर्सनल कारण है उनके।
सर 1 घंटे तक आप लोगों की मुलाकात हुई क्या?
उन्होंने नाश्ते पे बुलाया था।
सर
नाश्ता किया।
आपको क्या लगता है?
मैंने खुद एलजी साहब को फ़ोन किया कि मुझे लगा एक बार को कि शायद कई बार गैस वर्क होता है मीडिया का, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ खबर सही है और मैंने रिजाइन कर दिया है। तो मैंने जाना
की बात हुई एलजी से?
हाँ मेरी बात हुई, उनसे बात हुई। तो मैंने उनको शुभकामनाएं दी उनके भविष्य के लिए। मैंने कहा कि जो भी आपके साथ काम करने का अनुभव रहा, इट वॉज ए ग्रेट टाइम।
आपको बताया उन्होंने कि आखिर इस्तीफे की वजह क्या थी?
नहीं, जो उन्होंने सार्वजनिक रूप से जो सबके साथ शेयर किया है, मुझे भी वही बोला कि अब वो थोड़ा बच्चों के साथ, परिवार के साथ समय बिताना चाहते हैं, वो एकेडमिक्स में वापस जाना चाहते हैं।
The Ministry of Home Affairs has said that a new Lieutenant Governor will be appointed very soon. India Today's Devina Gupta looks at the top contenders.
It will be crucial, whoever comes in, to have the balance with the Delhi government, because already there's been tussle with Najeeb Jung and Arvind Kejriwal playing out in the public domain. First up, Kiran Bedi is also part of the probables, who is right now the governor for Puducherry, BJP chief minister candidate for 2014 Delhi polls. And this will be interesting to watch out because both of them are former comrades from the Anna Hazare movement. The second name that's doing round is B.S. Bassi as well, former police commissioner from the capital, very well aware of the administrative work as well in the capital. A frequent conflict with Kejriwal happened during his tenure. The next name that you could look at is Umesh Sehgal, who's former Delhi chief secretary, and he's also a close BJP aide. And equation with Kejriwal, well, not that good, one would say. Anil Baijal is another name that Ankit also pointed out, the former bureaucrat who is on the list to be the Lieutenant Governor of the capital. Equation with Kejriwal, some blow hot, blow cold, which will go on if he comes into the post. Then you have DM Spolia, who is a former Delhi Chief Secretary, who could also be in the race for being the next Lieutenant Governor. He was removed by Kejriwal, brought in by BJP. He's a dark horse candidate as we're speaking at this point of time, considered too soft though. And equation with Kejriwal, well, obviously one would have to say not that good. Shakti Sinha is a retired bureaucrat, another name doing the round. And Shakti Sinha, who's worked as personal staff for Atal Bihari Vajpayee, comes with a tremendous experience, a non-controversial image as well. Somebody seen as a balancer, who has worked with Kejriwal government before. And equation with Kejriwal is better, I would say, than the others. And then last but not the least, you have KJ Alphonse, who's a former Kerala bureaucrat, member of BJP National Executive Committee as well.